have is your truck registration.
This is our first YouTube video that we'd like to eventually produce for Gunworks.
Now let's see how much powder's left.
And the other piece of the lab is over here. Out of the wind, of course.
Okay, we got it.
It's very complicated.
95 grain. Greg, I need the registration paper.
Coming.
When I give it to a cop, he's gonna be like, "This smells like
this
gunpowder."
is how you load the charge tube with Gunworks. You got to find the 2019 Dodge Ram registration in the state of Washington, and you got to coil it up 4.5 twists so that there's no paper cloggage as you pour down the grain garbage, and then you have to do. Hold on. You got to give it 3 flicks. 1, 2.
Oh!
No, I accounted for lossage. We're good. We only lost 4 pieces of.
What do you think of all this, Brady? Oh,
He's out of here. Chatting his YouTube videos. I'm out.
Oh, and then like Carlson said, we just need to mark on this. That's the best thing to do, is just mark on here. Or hold on. We got some
This is
blockage.
This is precision.